Oh. Swoop, swoop. Hey, yeah. Hey, hey.
Post up.
Yeah. What? What? Swoop. Yeah.
Now this what it be supposed to sound
Yeah. Top down, riding on the 10. Yeah. I tell Shorty you can bring a friend. Shorty says you wanna jump in. Yeah. That's why I got 4 doors on that Benz. Yeah, rolling up a wood once again. Yeah, blowing down this wood once again. Yeah, riding through my hood once again. Yeah, once again, yeah. Yeah, Shorty wanna ride with a stunner. Ain't no need to hide, you can slide if you wanna. Yeah, it would be a bummer if you didn't hang with the gang for the summer. We done did this shit again, oh no, not again. 2 hoes that look the same, oh no, they not twins. Niggas hating on the man, no he didn't get that Benz. No he didn't switch the shade on the Cartier lenses. Young Miyagi in your bitch, I'm going crazy like Demented. And my dentist is my jeweler, and my jeweler is my dentist.
What's good, guys? We're back at the ship. That's right, we call it the ship. So what it looks like. Got my baby right here. Drove here, took like 50 minutes. Bay number 1 is open. Bay number 2, we're probably gonna park another car right here. This is where we're gonna take our pictures at. Just because I like the lighting here. Like, look at it, it's so bright. Plus, I got these 2 ring lights, and I got a couple more. So we're just gonna angle them, set them up, take pictures. In this corner, we're gonna be chilling and shit. About to get a futon, put it down in there. Get a TV, put it right there. Maybe a PS5, put it down there. Got the Wi-Fi hooked up right there. We need to get a bunch of toolboxes. Don't mind all this mess. Over here's a little more organized, but this area, we gotta get 2 toolboxes and set it all up. Yeah, I mean, this is it. This bugger right here. It was crazy getting this thing set up. At first, when we first bought it, me and Don, that's my brother, we thought we could set it up by ourselves. And I'll tell you for a fact, we had no idea what the fuck we were doing, because this stuff right here is crazy as hell. This one dude off of, I think he was like a Facebook group, let him come through. He did all this stuff, the fluid. We were running out buying all sorts of things. He measured all this up. I mean, at first we set them up by ourselves, which was, these things are heavy as hell. So fucking heavy, but we stood that stuff up by ourselves. And he pulled through, he started drilling the holes. He did this, he kind of fucked up, but eventually he got it right. And then he did electrical. I don't know how the hell we thought we would have done that, because he had to go into one box up there and do something over there, wire it all the way down. Now you can see it coming down to this box here. It's the lift. It works. But yeah, hella lighting in here. Still a lot of stuff we gotta buy. But I'm wrapping up a couple of things with some of the companies we're working with. And basically this week, we're probably gonna hit the auction and buy maybe 7 to 10 cars. There's a bathroom over here. And this is our main office. I just got some mail right here that I just picked up. This is it. Gotta do a little more organizing. Business cards. That's right. It's real. We work for this computer down there, but yeah, we worked for this thing, man. It took a lot of putting up with bullshit and just working to get shit done, getting cars sold, you know. And because of all that work we put in, now we're here. Out in a decent city, decent amount of lot space, and we're ready to work. We're ready to make some money. So I'll bring you guys along for a day thing. just to show you all what my day kind of looks like. This is not even how it's gonna really look. This is just kind of like an off day. That's how my days are nowadays. I just wake up and, oh, we should probably go do this, we should go do that. Pull up and get things done. But yeah, thank you for watching the video. I try to make it, I don't know, I didn't try really just turn on the camera and started recording. So next week I'm gonna buy maybe 10 cars. I might make a video. And like just post like what cars I'm looking at getting, and then I'll just kind of show you guys how much I buy them for. And actually, a huge surprise about the auction I went to today. I found out a huge surprise at the end, and I'm excited. Let's just say I'm excited. So, thank you for watching.
Yeah, I mean fucked up. Don't remember the night cause you fucked up. We ain't on a coach but we looked up. Nigga try to touch me, he get touched up. Drugs so basic, hoes so basic. Feeling like Kyrie, I'm in my all-star stage. I'm from down south where they ride with